We're here at Paradox Brewery, host of the Handlebarley Gravel Tour weekend. 2 days of great gravel cycling in North Hudson in the Adirondack hub. It's just an incredible place to ride a bike, especially if you're looking for dirt. Today's ride is going to be awesome. We're going to another amazing place, Elk Lake Lodge.
We are at Elk Lake Lodge. We did an awesome grind.
The ride was challenging but doable for most riders, and well worth the destination here. And it's going to be a fun little downhill going back.
So we got a little bit of road riding and a lot of dirt riding. And today we're riding into Borus Ponds, which is amazing, and until just a few years ago was inaccessible by the public. And the DEC converted it back to wilderness. We're gonna go check it out.
Downhill from here, right?
Woo!
The view is absolutely worth it.